Hello everyone, today we introduce our Komshine QX50 OTDR kit. This is OTDR QX50 and this is the carry bag, inspection certificate, SD card reader, LC and SC adapter, CD manual, power adapter, and the PS code. Now, let me show you more detail. This is the device. This is the bracket, touch pen, open the interface cover, as you can see, the USB connector, SD connector, power adapter connector, charger indicator, and this is the VFL connector. The other one is OTDR connector. Both connectors are available for APC and UPC. Before using it, you should insert the SD card. Turn on the device. Click the VFL button to enter the VFL function. Use the LC adapter for LC patch. Click the normal button. It's a lighter source. Click the flash button. It changes the flash. For SC testing cable, you can use SC adapter. Use it in the same way. Click the home button, back to home page. Now let's enter OTDR function. You can use it with the Komshine OTDR launch box. Click Set. There are 3 dialog boxes: parameter set, file set, and system set. In parameter set, you can choose the wavelengths 850, 1300, 1490, 1625, 1310, 1550, and the range from automatic to 180 kilometers. Pause-wise, average time, measuring type, and so on. In next, you can input the product name, location, operator, and others. In system set, you can choose the language from Spanish to English. Click Confirm to save the setting. Now let's start the testing. Click Run button. Click Run button to start testing. You can check the statement of testing cable. Is it good or bad? You can also change the image proportion by click these buttons. Click Save button to save the report. Input the report name. Now the report has been saved. You can read it in your personal computer. For LC and SC connector, you can also use it in the same way. Thanks for watching.